Pranav is a 26-year-old logistics manager at Detroit, India, at Mumbai. He's a Brahmin boy and a fitness freak. He got transferred to Detroit South Korean office for a trade project for 5 years by his Indian boss.
May I come in, sir?
Come in, Pranav.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, Pranav?
Yes, I am fine.
So tell me about the trade project. How is it going?
Sir, it's going well. The systematic checks and in and out I have checked, and going is absolutely great. So everything is going according to our plan.
Fantastic, Pranav. Pranav, you are one of the best employee I have ever come with. So our team and management is decided that you are going to our South Korea Detroit branch for 5 years for trade project. So tell me your decision. What you are thinking about that?
Really, sir? Means you're choosing me for this opportunity?
Yes, Pranav. Yes, you are a hard-working person. So we are trying to send you there. So tell me your decision.
Sir, I would really love to take this opportunity. Means I am very much interested to work over there and take this opportunity.
I expect this from you. So you can contact with our HR team and she will provide you the ticket details and the accommodation. So contact with her and have a great day.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Okay. Welcome. Have a great day.
Yes.
He leaves the boss's office and he went to his colleagues to share the news with them.
Hey, hello guys.
Hi, Pranav.
I want to tell you one great news. I have just been transferred to our South Korea office for a new trade project, and I think I would be over there for around a half decade. I am very excited, and I think this is a new phase of my life. Isn't it exciting?
Yes, really, bro. Congrats, yaar. We need a party now.
Yes, party time. Please order at least one bottle of World Cup for us.
Sure, bro.
Pranav, I have heard that Korea on no working hours, and one of my friend over there said that they even do the Saturdays as off. Not to scare you, but it would be little bit hectic, bro.
Yes, you are really going to miss us and our fun. You are a pure vegetarian, but in Korea there is only non-vegetarian foods are
Yeah.
given.
And I know you are not much of a drinker, but people over there cherish their drinks and kind of insist other people to drink with them. Declining them would hurt their sentiments. Pranav, we think you should give up on this and talk to the boss of replacing you with someone else.
Yeah, actually sorry Pranav, but this is what I heard.
Oh, really? I think I have to think about that. Let's see.
Bro, you want to think about it.
After hearing all these things, Pranav got worried and a little nervous, and for a moment he even thought of letting the foreign opportunity go. But as he was preparing for an opportunity for such a long time, he just couldn't give up on the idea. So he decided to go to Korea. Pranav arrives at the South Korean office. 3 days have passed and he's not comfortable with the cuisine over there, and he sees employees sharing meals with each other. And his fear had come true. Most of the food over there was non-vegetarian.
Oh my god. Everyone eats non-veg and drinking is very common here. They are real workaholics and even discuss about work after office hours. How will I get used to all these things and how will I even survive here for 5 years? Maybe I should focus on my work for now and let's try to ignore all these things. Come on Pranav, you can do this.
Hi Pranav. Yeah, can you please come to my cabin? I want to discuss something with you. Yeah, okay. I hope you're ready with your project plan. Yes, please come in.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, Pranav, please come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how was your 3 days in Korea, Pranav?
Ma'am, it's fine, but I'm not totally comfortable with this environment.
Why? What happened? Anything serious?
Nothing serious, ma'am. But frankly speaking, I'm from an Indian Brahman family, and our caste doesn't allow us to eat non-veg food. And everyone here is offering me non-veg food and drinks, and I have some food issue over here. Also, ma'am, here I have to make my own food. and the temperature here is quite cold, so due to this I am feeling little bit unwell. Ma'am, one request I want to make with you. Can I work only in office hours? I can't work on weekends and after office hours. I am ready to work hard for our project, but due to all these things, food and drinks issue, I am not able to complete my project plan here. I really apologize for that.
What? You still have not completed your project plan? The deadline was today. I understand that you have adjustment issues over here, but you cannot extend the deadline. A deadline means a deadline.
Ma'am, I am not giving any excuses, but due to all these things, I am not able to lay out a proper project plan. Please give me some extended timeline. In it, I will complete whole the project plan.
It's not an acceptable behavior, Pranav. You are giving me the reason of food, drinks, weather, etc. for not completing your project plan. You should have planned all this well before coming to Korea. On Saturday, I want a complete project plan by hook or by crook. Thank you and you may leave now.
Okay, ma'am. Really sorry. I will complete whole project plan by Saturday for sure.
Okay, Pranav, please leave.
Pranav is silently observing the cultural differences, and what he heard about this place is true to some extent. People in his office usually bring home cooked food and share it with each other, and most of the time is non vegetarian cuisine. He must avoid it in such a way that people don't feel bad.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Hey, good morning, bro. And first of all the best for your project.
Thank you, bro.
Hi guys, y'all had some breakfast today?
No, not yet.
Well, I got some traditional basam. Would you like to try some?
What's that exactly?
That's actually pork and lettuce wrap.
No, sorry, I don't eat non-veg food.
But it's very delicious. You should definitely try some.
Yeah, bro, you should really try it. Is there any special reason that you don't eat non-veg?
Yes, bro. Not only me, in my family also doesn't eat non-veg food. Actually, I will tell you, India is a very diverse country, as you already heard about that. And the religion and the caste which I belong doesn't allow us to eat non-veg food. We actually follow some beliefs which we hold. So I don't eat non-veg food. I hope you know about all these reasons. Because if I explain all these things in details now, it will take much time and I'm not able to complete my project task. Anyway, jokes apart, but I hope you all understand my situation. I don't eat non-veg food.
Yeah, it's totally fine, bro. I do understand that. Anyway, all the best for your future and good luck.
Yes, Pranav, all the best for your project. And if you need any kind of help, you can definitely approach us.
Sure. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Pranav was able to tackle the situation without much problem. He started bringing his own tiffin or eating in an Indian restaurant because he was not accustomed to local food over there. He even started sharing his meals with his colleagues to increase bond with them. They liked the Indian dishes he brought. Pranav has heard that the office has a party almost every Saturday after work, and people force each other to drink more as a form of hospitality and to get to know the person better. Pranav is a social drinker and doesn't drink much, nor he likes someone forcing him to drink more.
Hey guys, this place is really awesome and the ambience is also so good.
Yeah, this is one of the best ones in this area.
Hi guys, today's day was so tiring. Like we got transportation analysis to do and it was mind-boggling. Pranav, what is the next assignment for the week?
Arey yaar, let's just not talk about the work now. We are here to clear our mind. So just no working talks and all. Just tell me more about the Korean culture.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Hey Pranav, your glass is empty. Why don't you have another drink?
No, actually I'm done with a pint of beer.
Dude, it's just a pint. You should have some scotch with us.
Yeah, actually, they have good brands. Good brands here. You should try some.
No bro, I'm okay with this beer only. Yeah.
Are you not feeling comfortable with us?
No, that's not the issue. Actually, I am a fitness oriented person, and also I have one liver issue also. And doctor suggested me that just drink in a moderate manner.
Sure, let's catch up later.
Yeah, sure. Bye.
After completing 5 years at Detroit, South Korea branch, one day the Korean boss calls Pranav Patil in her cabin.
Good morning, ma'am. May I come in?
Good morning, Pranav. Yes, please come in. How are you, Pranav? And did you enjoy working with us? Because in the past you have faced many issues.
I'm good, ma'am. And yes, at the starting it was a bit difficult for me to cope up with this environment, but with the help of time I have learned new things and now I'm totally okay with this environment.
Oh, I really appreciate the way you manage your work, Pranav.
Thank you so much, ma'am. At the starting, I have started cooking by myself so that my food issue will get resolved. And now I can brought my own tiffin in this office and I can share it same with my colleagues. And they are also happy with this Indian food. And the people in the office are so cooperative. They help me a lot in this new trade project. And due to their efforts, this project is successfully completed. So now I can manage all my tasks with the help of time management and with new technologies. So it was a great experience according to me.
That is really great, Pranav. And I can see from the report that the project results are also good. You actually did a great job. And because of the excellent output, the company has decided to promote you to the position of Senior Trade Project Manager. So now you have two options. Either you can stay here and continue the job, or you can go back to India and continue the job there. Whatever you choose, the promotion is with you, so don't worry.
Thank you so much for the offer, ma'am. But I would choose to go in India and work over there because working for my country is a great pleasure, according to me. So I will go back to India.
Okay, Pranav, I really appreciate your decision. And I would like to share my past experience with you because the problem which you have to face in Korea, I also have faced in USA. I was sent to USA for a trade project similar like you, and you know that USA is so different from Korea. There I learned the skill of adaptability. And from what you have faced, I now know that you also have learned the skill of adaptability.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for this experience. Actually, I will remember your issue in this your working culture.
Yes, Pranav. And your ticket related details will be handled by our HR team.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great pleasure to working with you, and it was a great experience for me. Thank you so much.
Wish you good luck, Pranav. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can leave now.
Pranav goes back to India with new authority and responsibility. The message we get over here is adaptability, understanding of each other's culture, and cooperation plays a very, very vital role in an individual's life to grow, learn, and improve. Thank you.